These are Xbox 360 controllers on the left. You'll see this is player 1 from the green light, and this is player 2. And here's the generic unbranded dongle hooked up to this Windows 8.1 Lenovo Yoga 13. So let's get started. If you hit Windows plus W and type devices, you get this devices and printers view where you can see both Xbox controllers, right? Everything's working great for this particular USB port. Let me explain. If I right click on the controller, say game controller settings, properties, okay, and you'll see the controller. Oops, wrong one. There you go. So it's obviously working. Everything's fine. So next, close that, cancel or close that. So the two controllers, are obviously working and they're paired. But what happens if I unplug this from this USB port? They disappear. And we want to go on over to the other side. Now both the remotes are orphaned. Kind of their, blinking green light, right? They're angry at me. So now I'm going to go to USB on the other side. And it's a USB port that has not been taken care of or paired before. Let's show you that. Okay, so this laptop has only two USB ports. Again, these controllers are orphaned. You heard the device tone, recognizing the wireless receiver, but it's showing it as an unknown device. So we have to go through the setup process again. So we want to get into Device Manager, Windows plus W key, Device Manager, scroll all the way to the bottom of the list. There's Unknown Devices, or Unknown Device, right click it, Update Driver Software, browse my computer for driver software, let me pick, scroll all the way to the bottom, Xbox 360 Peripherals, click Next, and scroll all the way to the bottom again. Whoops. The very last item is August 21st, 2013, Xbox wireless receiver for Windows, version 6.3. Click Next. It'll give me a warning saying I'm not sure about this driver. We say yes anyway. Get a recognition tone. That's great. So Device Manager now sees the wireless receiver. In fact, we don't have to repair. Both remotes came back. I'll also point out for pairing, just a little quick tip if you have trouble. On my initial video, I think I have you hitting this button and the sync button at the same time. If you hit this button first, a little longer, and then the light stays on, while holding it, you then push the button on the remote. And that seems to do a good job with the syncing and the pairing. Okay, let's go back to the original USB port. Okay, the remotes are complaining again because they're orphaned. Plug the wireless receiver right back in. Wait for it. Bottom left corner does show the correct device, and the remotes are showing up. So you just need to wait a little bit, and the remote stopped blinking. So it probably took 20 seconds, but it's done. And it doesn't really matter where we plug the wireless receiver in. This laptop can handle it no matter where we plug in now. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and for visiting tinkertry.com.